If your credit score is low, lenders don't trust you. It's a simple, harsh reality. You end up paying higher interest rates on loans, higher premiums for insurance, and sometimes you get rejected completely. It feels like being stuck in a financial trap where the system is designed to keep you down. But here's the good news, and it's a game changer. Artificial intelligence can now help you fix your credit score, and it can do it faster and with much less effort than ever before. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to improve your credit score using AI tools, step by step. And don't worry, this guide is for everyone, even if you're a complete beginner and the thought of credit reports makes your head spin. We're going to break it down and make it simple. Okay, so if you're ready to take control of your financial future, let's get started. The first step is to get your full credit report. And I mean the full, detailed report, not just the 3-digit score you see on banking apps. This report is the blueprint of your financial life, and it's what we need to work with. You can get it for free from several places. The official site is annualcreditreport.com, but you can also get reports from Experian, Credit Karma, Equifax, or TransUnion. Go ahead and download the PDF version of your report from all 3 major bureaus if you can. Once you have that PDF, this is where the magic begins. We're going to let AI analyze it for you. Open up an AI tool like Claude AI or ChatGPT. Both have options to upload documents. Upload your credit report and give it a simple command. Say something like, "Analyze this credit report and give me a summary of all the negative items that are hurting my score." In seconds, the AI will scan the entire document and highlight the problem areas. So point out late payments, any accounts in collections, charge-offs, high credit utilization on your cards, recent hard inquiries, and even incorrect personal information, which happens more often than you'd think. This step alone saves you hours of manually reading through pages of confusing financial jargon. The AI does the heavy lifting, giving you a clear, concise list of what needs to be fixed. Now for step 2. Identify and dispute errors using AI. This is where AI becomes incredibly powerful. A shocking statistic from the FTC reveals that a huge number of Americans, some studies say up to 79%, have at least one error on their credit report. This could be a late payment that was actually on time, an account that isn't yours, or a debt that's already been paid. These errors can drag your score down significantly. In the past, you'd have to write a formal, complicated letter to the credit bureaus to dispute these. But now, you can generate a professional dispute letter in seconds. Go back to ChatGPT or Claude and use this prompt. Write a professional, FCRA-compliant dispute letter challenging the following inaccurate item on my report. Then, just paste the negative item that the AI found in step 1. The AI will draft a perfect letter for you. It will include your personal information, the account number in question, a clear explanation of what is wrong, and why it must be corrected. Crucially, it will even include a legal reference to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the law that protects you. The letter will also formally request an investigation within the legally mandated 30 days. All you have to do is print the letter, sign it, and mail it to Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion. You can find their addresses easily online. It's that simple. Next up, step 3. Fix your credit utilization using AI budgeting tools. Your credit utilization ratio accounts for 30% of your entire credit score. It's a huge piece of the puzzle. This ratio is simply the amount of credit you're using compared to your total credit limit. Lenders like to see this number below 30%. If you have a $10,000 credit limit across all your cards, you want your total balance to be under $3,000. AI-powered budgeting tools can help you lower this ratio fast. Check out apps like Cleo AI, Monarch Money, or YNAB, which now have AI plugins. Even ChatGPT can act as a budget planner. You can ask it a direct question. What is the fastest way for me to reduce my credit utilization from 65% to under 30%? The AI will analyze your situation and build you a personalized 30-day action plan. It might suggest a snowball or avalanche method to pay down balances, or it might point out a simpler solution. For example, sometimes the fix is as easy as making a payment asterisk before asterisk your statement closing date. That way, a lower balance is reported to the credit bureaus, instantly improving your utilization ratio for that month. Let's move on to step 4. Use AI to build a payment plan and an auto-pay system. This is probably the most important factor of all. Your payment history makes up 35% of your credit score. One late payment can tank your score and stay on your report for 7 years. The key to a great score is consistency. AI tools like Rocket Money or Truebill are designed for this. They can analyze your income and bills and help you schedule every single payment automatically. You can also use ChatGPT for this. Ask it, generate a personalized payment calendar for me based on these due dates and bill amounts. It will create a clear, easy-to-follow schedule. Once you have this calendar, go into your banking and credit card apps and set everything to auto-pay. Even if it's just the minimum payment, make sure it's automated. This creates a safety net. You will never miss a payment again due to a simple mistake like forgetting. This single habit is the foundation of a healthy credit score. Step 5 is about removing hard inquiries with AI assistance. Whenever you apply for a new credit card, a loan, or even some rental apartments, the lender pulls your credit report. This is called a hard inquiry, and it can temporarily dip your score by a few points. These inquiries only affect your score for 12 months. But if you have too many in a short period, it makes you look like a risky borrower. But here's the thing, not all inquiries are valid. Sometimes they happen without your explicit permission. I can help you clean these up. Use a prompt similar to the one for disputing errors. Write a dispute letter challenging unauthorized credit inquiries on my report. The inquiries I did not authorize are on the following dates. List the inquiries you don't recognize. The AI will generate a letter for you to send to the credit bureaus. It's a simple, effective way to clean up your report. Step 6 is where we get strategic. Use AI to plan 30, 60, and 90 days ahead. Fixing your credit isn't a one-time task, it's a process. AI can help you create a long-term strategy that feels manageable. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you'll have a clear roadmap. Ask your AI assistant, create a 90-day plan to raise my credit score from 580 to 680. Be specific with your numbers. The AI will generate a detailed plan. This plan will include specific payment dates, targets for your credit utilization, spending limits in different categories, automatic reminders for when to check your report, and deadlines for following up on your disputes. It turns a vague goal into a series of small, actionable steps. This makes the entire process simple and actually achievable. Finally, we have step 7. Use AI to find the best credit building accounts. If you're starting with a low score, it can feel like a catch-22. You need credit to build credit, but no one will give you credit. Fortunately, there are specific financial products designed to help you. You can ask AI to find them for you. Try this prompt. What are the best credit building products for someone with a credit score under 600? The AI will search the web and give you a list of suggestions. Common recommendations include self-credit builder loans, the kickoff credit account, secured credit cards, Experian Boost, and the extra card. These accounts are designed to report your positive payment history to the credit bureaus, which helps raise your score over time, even if you're starting from scratch. Now, let's talk about the big truth here. AI won't magically fix your credit score overnight. There's no magic button. But what it does is make the process 10 times easier and 100 times faster. Instead of spending hours deciphering reports, writing formal letters, and trying to create a budget from thin air, AI does the heavy lifting for you. You are still in control of the decisions. You are the one who executes the plan. But now, you have a powerful AI assistant guiding you at every single step. So, there you have it. A 7-step guide to repairing your credit using the power of AI. If you've found this helpful, I have a question for you. I'm considering building a full all-in-one AI credit repair tool that does all of these steps for you automatically. If that's something you'd be interested in, let me know in the comments below. Your feedback helps me create content that truly helps you. This is Wealth Hustle, helping you stay ahead of the future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building your wealth.